actually. We now have former Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who was forced to quit his job after the students' protest, now taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi. He's saying that the Congress is constantly spreading lies. He's calling the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, a habitual liar. He's also saying that the government is ready to discuss every issue in Parliament, but only if the opposition lets them. Let me go straight across to Sabyasachi, who is joining us on the broadcast. Sabya, when Dharmendra Pradhan says Rahul Gandhi is a habitual liar, what is the context? Is he talking about the claims being made on the pellet guns, or is there something else?
Well, see, Dharmendra Pradhan here hints the different allegation that has come in from leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now, the centre particularly is hinting to the fact that the leader of opposition has been speaking inside and outside our house, holding press conferences, making claims against the central government. But when it comes to hearing the Home Minister, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is not ready. Now, the NDA says that when Jantar Mantar protest was going on in different meetings of the opposition floor leaders, Rahul Gandhi had said that since the students are on the street, it is our responsibility to come down on the street and to protest with them. And that is the reason why we saw leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi protesting outside Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence and different areas across the national capital. But the NDA says when the protest is going on in Jantar Mantar, Rahul Gandhi is just putting across mere tweets. None of their leaders from the centre has gone out to Jharkhand to meet the protesters. That is the reason why the NDA is questioning Rahul Gandhi, and this is a tit-for-tat tactics that the NDA is adopting, and they are right now on the offensive. And that is the reason why we saw today that the NDA leaders came with placards which say that Rahul ji bhago mat, and this is going to be there for the next couple of days, where right now the NDA government will question the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, that he has to listen to what Home Minister Amit Shah has to say, because the HM has agreed to the fact that they are ready to discuss all the issues or concerns that the opposition parties have raised.
Okay. Thank you, Sabya, very much for joining us. The opposition being equally combative in its